Hello. To begin with, let me start by asking some simple questions on my home screen. I want to see sales by category. So it shows me sales by product category and subcategory. I can change the Wiz type from here, and there is a new Wiz type called language narrative. Let me choose that. You will see that the information is in the form of a narrative. Let me click on this and open in DV so I can see it better. With Language Narrative Wiz, which is a first-class Wiz available out of the box, I can look at my data in a descriptive manner in the form of a narrative. Let me duplicate this Wiz and set it as a chart so I can compare what I'm seeing in the chart with the language narrative. So it's saying there are 17 product subcategories with total sales value of about 8.5 million and an average of 500K. Telephone and communication is the largest subcategory, which with close to 1.4 million, while office machines, chair mats, and tables are the next three big ones, and they contribute to 37% of the total sales. Let's look at some of the Wiz properties. There is a language option, and currently it supports English and French. You can choose French, and the narrative is rendered in French. Few more language options will be added in the near future. You can also change the level of detail of the narrative. Level 7 is a very verbose narrative. You can lower the level to say 6, where you have lesser detail and so on. The right value of the detail to set will vary from one dataset to another, so pick something that's most appropriate to your own dataset. Let me add another metric, say number of customers, to both these visualizations. Now in the language narrative, the first section focuses on metric 1, which is sales. It's saying telephone and communication is the most important contributor to sales, followed by these three, which contribute to 37% of the total sales. The second section focuses on the second metric, which is number of customers. So there are about 7.6K unique customers, and on an average about 447 customers for each product subcategory. The paper subcategory has the largest number of customers, followed by these four subcategories, which contribute to about 38% of total customers. Now let me apply a filter by selecting a few product subcategories and choosing the Keep Selected option. Now you'll notice that the filter gets applied to the language narrative as well, and it is now considering only the 8 subcategories. Let me remove this filter. Let me remove the number of customers. Let me bring in a column, say ship date at the year level. Let me change the analysis to trend and see how the trend looks over time. Let me also change the scatter chart and add the year column to it, so we are looking at the same information across both the visualizations. The overall trend section gives some important insights. It tells you how sales fluctuated between these two values. It tells you which product subcategory had the most robust growth, which one had a significant fall, and so on. The next section gives you a detailed breakup year-wise. It tells you what were the outliers detected across the years, when a distinct peak occurred, what was the strongest growth period, or when a trough occurred, and so on. Again, if you want lesser detail, you can change the level of detail. Thanks for watching this video.